Hello, welcome to Competitive Exams Library YouTube channel. In this video we discuss July month current affairs part 2. If you didn't find the part 1, I will give the link in the description. See for part 1 July month current affairs. Let's see. Bangladesh and India signed agreement for joint coal-fired power plant. So Bangladesh and India joint venture for power plant. The capacity is 1320 megawatt. Bangladesh and India landmark deal for the construction of coal-fired power plant. Next, Shah Rukh Khan and Akshay Kumar is in Forbes list of 100 paid celebrities. The list is topped by the American singer Taylor Swift. And Indian celebrities Shah Rukh Khan and Akshay Kumar are in 100 highest paid celebrities list. Next, IDFC announces acquisition of Grama Vijayal Microfinance. Grama Vijayal Microfinance has 319 branches across 7 states in 65 districts. They have branches in Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Karnataka, Puducherry, Maharashtra, Gujarat and Madhya Pradesh. So Grama Vijayal Microfinance headquarters is in Tamil Nadu. They have branches in 7 states, but the headquarters is in Tamil Nadu, and they are acquired by the IDFC Bank. And IDFC Bank headquarters is in Mumbai, Maharashtra. So remember, IDFC Bank headquarters Mumbai and Grama Vijayal Microfinance headquarters Tamil Nadu, and the IDFC is acquired the Grama Vijayal Microfinance. Next, Operation Sankat Mochan. Operation Sankat Mochan to evacuate the Indian from South Sudan. From South Sudan, they take back the Indians. The Union government started the Operation Sankat Mochan. The operation is observed by the VK Singh. Who is VK Singh? He is the Ministry of State for External Affairs. Next, Emirates named World's Best Airline at Skytrax World Airline Awards. Which airlines got award Best Airline? Emirates World Best Airline. So remember. Next, FIDE Women's Grand Prix winner Harika Dronvalli. She is the winner of FIDE Women's Grand Prix title. BEL commissions 250 megawatts power plant in Gujarat. How many megawatts? 250 megawatts power plant in Gujarat. BEL, Bharat Heavy Electronics Limited. Next, the Government of India and Asian Development Bank ADB on Thursday signed a $100 million loan for climate adaptation in Kaveri Delta project in Tamil Nadu. So ADB gives $100 million loan for Tamil Nadu for Kaveri Delta project. The Asian Development Bank headquarters is in where? Manila, Philippines. So ADB headquarters also important, Manila, Philippines. They give $100 million loan to Tamil Nadu for Kaveri Delta project. Okay, remember. Oldest captain to score a test century is Misbah-ul Haq. He is a Pakistani player. So all of them know in World Cup T20 finals, India vs Pakistan match, Pakistan lost. So he is the oldest captain to score a test century. Recently Pakistan won the match against England in Lords after 23 years exactly. So Pakistan won the match. He is the captain and he did a century. Oldest captain to score a test century. His age is 42 years 47 days. He made a century against England. Next, see 3 new heritage site list. From India, 3 lists are selected from UNESCO heritage list. I upload the full new world heritage site list in blog. If you want to see, once go to the site and download the PDF of UNESCO heritage list. So now see, from India 3 lists are The architectural work of Corbusier, Chandigarh. It is located at Chandigarh, India. And next, Nalanda University. It is located in Bihar. Kanchenjunga National Park, Sikkim. So these three sites are from India selected for heritage list. See next, Vijayendra Singh defeated Australia's Kerry Hope to win WBO Asia Pacific Super Middleweight title in New Delhi. So Vijayendra Singh is the winner, and who is the runner? Kerry Hope from Australia. Vijayendra Singh is from India. He is a boxer. See next, Deepika Pallikal and Saurabh Ghoshal clinch national squash titles. So national squash title winners Deepika Pallikal and Saurabh Ghoshal. Both Deepika Pallikal and Saurabh Ghoshal are famous squash players from India. Remember these names. Next, important book. Who moved my interest rate leading to the Reserve Bank of India through 5 turbulent years? The book is authored by the Duvvuri Subbarao. He is a former governor of RBI. So important book, remember. Who moved my interest rate? The book is written by Duvvuri Subbarao. Next, youngest chief minister in the country is Pema Khandu. He is from which state? Recently he appointed. He is from Arunachal Pradesh. Youngest chief minister in the country, Pema Khandu. He is from Arunachal Pradesh CM. Next, India first e-court was recently opened at Hyderabad. India first e-court recently opened at Hyderabad. Remember, India's first e-court at Hyderabad. Next, Lifeline Express. World's first hospital train celebrates 25 years of service. In the train, they set up a hospital. They completed 25 years of service. The express name is called Lifeline Express. And it is also called as the magical train of India. So this is important express. See, Lifeline Express. Remember. Next, Madhya Pradesh became the first state to have the happiness department. There are so many departments in cabinet, in also like that in the state also so many departments. So recently Madhya Pradesh government has specially opened another department named Happiness Department. So which state? Madhya Pradesh. Happiness Department, Madhya Pradesh. Remember. West Bengal has set a target to construct toilets across all villages of the state by March 2019. Which state? West Bengal state. To construct toilets, they set a target of March 2019. Which state? West Bengal. Next, Vice President Ansari recently visited Mongolia for 2-day Asia-Europe meeting ASEAN Summit. Vice President Hamid Ansari visited Mongolia for 2 days for which summit? ASEAN Summit. The Mongolia currency is Tugrog, Mongolian Tugrog, and the capital is Ulaanbaatar. So when the famous news is come different countries, they ask the country and currency. So remember the capital and currency also. So Mongolia capital is Ulaanbaatar and the currency is Mongolian Tugrog. So remember these points also. Next, 20 people are killed in ISIS attacks on a Holy Austrian bakery in Bangladesh. Recently so many attacks are we seen. So the 20 people were killed in ISIS attacks in where? Bangladesh Artisan Bakery. So remember. Next, ICICI Bank to partner with Finopaytic for payment bank setup. So many banks are tie up with different organizations to establish payment bank. So in that like way, ICICI Bank partner with Finopaytic. In the past also so many tie-ups are there. Once see the tie-ups. Airtel e-commerce tie-up with Kotak Mahindra Bank to start a payment bank. In that like way, Paytm tie-up with Wipro. Next, Aditya Birla and Idea tie-up. And Reliance, recently Reliance Industries and SBI tie-up we discussed in part 1. So Reliance and SBI, these are the tie-ups in the past. Now ICICI Bank and Fino Paytech for payment bank, remember. Anupriya Patil. Who is she? Anupriya Patil is the youngest in the cabinet. Recently Modi shuffles the cabinet and so many new members are there. So Anupriya Patil is important because he is the youngest in the cabinet currently. She is from which ministry? He is the Ministry of State for Health and Family Welfare, Government of India. So remember, she is the youngest in the cabinet, Anupriya Patil, and she is from which ministry? Ministry of State for Health and Family Welfare. Next, the world's largest Charaka spinning wheel. This is the spinning wheel. Mahatma Gandhi do this in Gujarat, Sabarmati. So, the world's largest Charaka spinning wheel at Indira Gandhi International Airport. Where it is located, Indira Gandhi International Airport? It is in New Delhi. So, in New Delhi International Indira Gandhi Airport, they launched the world's largest Charaka. Government to clean 10 iconic places under Swachh Bharat Mission. Swachh Bharat Mission, government selected for 10 iconic places. So let's see what are the 10 places once. Vaishno Devi Temple in Jammu and Kashmir, Taj Mahal in Uttar Pradesh, Tirupati Temple in Andhra Pradesh, very famous, all of us know. Golden Temple in Amritsar, Punjab. Golden Temple in Amritsar, Punjab. Ajmer Sharif in Rajasthan. Jagannath Temple in Orissa. Recently, Radhayatra was held at Puri, Orissa. Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus in Maharashtra. Manikarnika Ghat in Uttar Pradesh. Meenakshi Temple in Tamil Nadu. And Kamakhya Temple in Assam. So once remember these 10 places. Next, Trinatra will help railways in navigating bad weather. So Railway Ministry launched Trinatra. It is related for navigating bad weather. They will help railways in navigating bad weather. Remember Trinatra. Also, Railway Ministry launched the Nivaran scheme for railwaymen. We discussed in part 1. So remember Nivaran. This is Trinatra. Delhi. Who is the CM of Delhi? Arvind Kejriwal. She launched different innovative schemes. Last time he launched the odd out car scheme. So now he launched Talk to AK. AK means Arvind Kejriwal. So in that people can call directly to the CM and they discuss with their problems. So Kejriwal interactive session with people. The name is Talk to AK live show. Delhi CM Arvind Kejriwal. Next, Indian Army conducts battle exercise Operation Magh Prahar. Operation Magh Prahar, the exercise is related to Indian Army. So let's remember Navy, Army, so different there, sir. So remember Indian Army operation is Operation Magh Prahar. In which river? Yamuna River. In Yamuna River, Indian Army launched the Operation Magh Prahar. So remember. Wimbledon 2016 winners we already seen. Men's singles Andy Murray, women's Serena Williams. That is different, and this is the wheelchair singles type for Wimbledon. So let's see. First time they conduct this disabled people wheelchair singles title. So the winner is Gordon Reid. This is important. So remember Wimbledon 2006 for disabled wheelchair singles title. Gordon Reid. This is the wheelchair tennis tournament. In this way they play. Next, see. Tata Strive launches Skill Development Center in Hyderabad. Tata Strive launches the Skill Development Center in Hyderabad, Telangana. The center will skill youth in Telangana. They will teach the BPO, banking, financial services, insurance and different schemes. And they give employment to the skilled people. Okay, remember Tata Strive launch skill development center in Hyderabad. Next, Turnbull Swan in as Australia PM for second time. Australia PM second time. Who is he? Full name Malcolm Turnbull. So remember Turnbull. See bull. She suddenly turned. So Turnbull is the Australia new PM. In that way, code words we can remember easily and we don't forget in exams. Okay. So put code words like this and remember GA. It's the easy and good way to remember general awareness. Next, see. Rohit Khandelwal wins Mr. World 2016, the first Indian to win the title. Who is he? Rohit Khandelwal is a Miss World 2006 and she is born in Hyderabad. So remember Rohit Khandelwal, Miss World 2006. He is the first Indian to win. Next, see. ECB Steve Elworthy is appointed as the Managing Director of ICICI World Cup 2009. Steve Elworthy is the appointed as ICICI World 2000 Cup ICC Cricket World Cup 2019. So remember the name Steve Elworthy. Next, Turkey President Recep Tayyip on Wednesday declared the 3-month state of emergency. So Turkey declared the 3-month emergency. Who is the president of Turkey? Recep Tayyip. And what is the capital of Turkey? Turkey capital Ankara. And what is the currency? Currency is the lema. So remember currency country also. So Turkey capital Ankara, currency lema, and Turkey 3-month state of emergency they declare. Next, see. Federal Bank partners with Reliance Jio Money. Federal Bank and Reliance Jio Money, they both will partner. Okay, next, see. IRCTC joins hands with SBI to promote rail ticketing. They both are jointly tie up with rail ticketing, IRCTC and SBI. In July month, SBI is in news so many times. In part 1 also we discussed so many tie-ups with SBI, like SBI tie-up with Flipkart for EMI facility and SBI Mingle scheme for Facebook and Twitter social platforms. Reliance and SBI also tie-up for payment bank. So many times SBI is in news. So definitely we can expect 1 or 2 bits from recently SBI mains exam PO. So read carefully. IMF trims India's growth forecast to 7.4% from 7.5%. In the past, IMF give the GDP rate 7.5%, but now they trims the rate to 0.1%. So now IMF GDP for India is 7.4%. Remember. Hockey legend Mohammad Shahidi passes away. Legendary hockey player. Who is he? Mohammad Shahidi. He is a hockey player recently passed away. Next, Nigerian journalist wins BBC World News Komla Dumar Award. Nigerian journalist wins BBC World Komla Dumar Award. Who is the Nigerian journalist? He is the Didi Akinyeluri. So remember as Didi. In Hindi Didi, leda Akkineni, Yelur. The city in Andhra Pradesh called Eluru. So whatever you like it, remember the name Didi Akkineni Eluri. Didi Akin Elur. Next, see. Government allocates 22,915 crore rupees capital to public sector bank in 13 banks. For 2000 fiscal year 2017, government allocates this amount in 13 banks. So remember, amount also remember. Next, HDFC becomes the first to issue masala bonds in London Stock Exchange. HDFC issues masala bonds in London Stock Exchange. In before HDFC, Axis Bank and S Bank also launched masala bonds. So remember, masala bonds. Next, see, Kerala House adopts resolution against merger of SBT with SBI. State Bank of Travancore SBT. Recently, government announces the merge all the SBI associates with State Bank of India. State Bank of Hyderabad, State Bank of Becknoor, State Bank of Travancore. So many banks there. So all the associates are merged with SBI. So many are objecting. So like this State Bank of Travancore, it is from Kerala. So they adopts a resolution against the merger. See next, the Union Cabinet under the chairmanship of Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi approving the air services agreement between India and Mozambique. So air services MOU with India and Mozambique. See next, CCEA approved 1980 megawatts Ghatampur thermal power plant in Uttar Pradesh. So 1980 megawatts Ghatampur thermal power plant in Uttar Pradesh. CCEA means Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs. So Ghatampur thermal power project Uttar Pradesh, remember. See, 7 Indian films feature in Fortune 500 list. So from India, which company is top? Indian Oil Corporation. The rank 161 in world. From India, their top. So revenue is $54.7 billion. And ONGC is in list in previous list, but now ONGC has been replaced by the gems and jewelry firm Rajesh Experts. This is the debut, first time debut. The Rajesh Experts rank is in 423 in the world's list. See, once top 7 companies, Indian films feature in 500 list, there are 7 companies. Once see the 7 companies. Indian Oil Corporation is the top. Rank is 161. Next, Reliance Industries. Rank is 215. Tata Motors 226. And State Bank of India 232. State Bank of India rank also important because SBI PO exam is there for mains. Maybe they ask the rank of SBI. The SBI is in 4th place and the rank is 232 in the world. And SBI and Tata Motors are improved their ranks compared to last year. Next, Bharat Petroleum 358. Next, Hindustan Petroleum 367. And Bangalore based Rajesh Expert. First time they come, they replaced ONGC. This is Bangalore based Rajesh Expert Jewelry Company. The rank is 423. So these 7 companies are in the list of Forbes best companies in India. And in the world, the list is Forbes list best company is Walmart. The world first company is Walmart. From India, these 7 companies. From India, Indian Oil Corporation is the top. So remember these points. Okay friends, if you want to download the PDFs on these materials, go to the competitive exams library. The link is given in description. So go to there, and the stock GK PDFs and current affairs PDFs you want to download. So go to this blog. And if you like the videos, please like the videos and don't forget to subscribe, and please share with your friends also. Thank you for watching. Thank you.